Well, good evening. I do a good job when I first start doing my videos, pronouncing my words properly, but it is good evening, and I have little Miss Apani out, and she's coming up onto the camera. Don't disappear into the camera, sweetie. And I really, while I had her out, what made me tweak to doing a video was I got her out because I was going to clean out her little home for her, and I wanted Noah to actually hold her for me while I did that. The fact is that she did everything she possibly could to keep a hold of me, and she didn't want to go. And the whole time she was wanting to come back to me. And it makes you stop, and it makes you go. You know, this little girl has spent a lot of time with me holding her, me doing things with her more than anybody. Occasionally Noah has held her for me while I've cleaned out her enclosure, and every time it has been a bit of a battle to get her to go over to him. But it is extremely noticeable. And it's not just noticeable with Apani. It's noticeable with all of my snakes that they seek me out. So that says multitudes that you are the person that they have bonded with. I'm not saying that they're not willing to be with other people, that they're going to attack somebody else. They're just a little bit wary of going to somebody else because it's you who they've got to know and who they spend most of their time with. So why wouldn't they wish to stay with you? Because you are and have become completely that person that they trust. I'm going to let little Miss Apani, without my finger showing in front of that lens, maybe do a little bit of a wander around. As you can see, she's growing slowly. Yes, I'm right here, darling. I'm right here. Yeah, it's a long way to come up for a little girl to where the camera is, which is a good, foot away, and yet she was completely reaching for it. It doesn't matter how big or little they are so able to do that. And she still wants to do it, don't you? Actually, what she's wanting to do is come onto my other hand at the moment. Oh, look at that iridescence on her. Because that's a bonus of a snake that hasn't got a multitude of colour. And she's that beautiful, beautiful, it's hard to describe. It's not brown, it's just a little bit different actually. I guess it is a golden brown. But yeah, it is amazing how they've made that connection with the person that has been there with them from the very start. And even snakes that haven't been can still develop that with you if you put the time in with them and the caring with them, and show them that you very much are going to be there to take care of them and make sure that they're safe and do all those right things by them. You will have a snake that will bond and look and seek you out for that comfort, that safety. And definitely my snakes do it. They know who I am. They they try to find me, no matter who's holding them. And it is pretty much, I have to walk away, and so that they can't see me, so that they'll just relax a little with that person that is holding them. And you know, it doesn't mean that there's something wrong with your snake and it shouldn't do that. Of course they're going to do that, because you are the one that they care about and love. And I use the word love because that is a form of them letting you know that you are the person that they want to be with and not anybody else. So, you know, be humbled by the fact that you can have this with your snake, because people think that they can't do it, that snakes aren't capable. Well, they very much are. And my little Apani is that... Oh, sorry, Jed. I will let you in very soon, buddy. But they are very capable of bonding with you and letting you know that you're a very, very important person in their life. Hey, Miss Apani, who's determined to come up on this camera. So it's not a very long video, guys. I've got children waiting for me to attend to them, but as I said, I try and pick up the camera as much as I possibly can when I can. And I wanted to show you a Apani who is certainly growing and getting a big girl, and one day she'll be that very confident girl. She is confident now, but she's going to get bigger and more confident as the days go by. Hey, so guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes. What do you think, Apani? Definitely take care of you guys, hey, because we have to. They rely on us, and remember that. They very much rely on us to take care of them. So I'll say ciao.